And here we are, guys, on Voxeltek Live, a company from Hungary. Hello, nice to meet you. Could you please introduce yourself and your company?
Sure, I'm Tamás Liszkai. I'm one of the founders of the company, and this is our offerings that you can see on this table. This is this bundle is especially made for clinics, and it includes an intraoral scanner, also a 3D printer, and an online platform to connect the two together. And what's especially exciting about this is that it finally makes it a reality to bring in these technologies to the dental clinic, because previously it has been questionable whether a dentist wants to deal with dental design, CAD design himself, and now with this online platform this is possible because the design is basically outsourced to us. So they just scan the patient, send the scan to us. We do the design for example, provisional restoration, and then he can print it in office, and it's going to happen in a really short time. So so the client can even like wait outside, and that's, I think, that's a big plus.
Maybe you have got any genuine materials by your company, or you also have your OEM materials?
Yeah, actually, well, as for the model materials, we produce them ourselves. This is our own formulation. We designed this material to be very easily printable and work beautifully with our printers, but of course it's compatible with other brands as well, as long as those printers are working with a wavelength of 405 nanometer. That's a technical term, sorry about that.
Yep. It's like a MSLA printers, although MSLA like LCD, like Frozen and Cubic and all others. So all of those printers will work with our materials. Compared to those kind of introductory level 3D printers, this is a little bit extra because we have implemented a lot of smart techniques how to make the accuracy more true to the original file, and it involves a lot of small software tricks, because when you're working with photopolymerization technologies, you really need to synchronize chemistry with the mechanical movements of the printer, and you need to do those compensation moves that will result in a very accurate print finally. Can we use some third-party resins like Saramco?
Yes. Saramco resins are compatible with this machine, so even their permanent crown resin can be printed. We have also tested and profiled a lot of third-party resins that are biocompatible, so it's really your choice. We also offer our clients that they can come to us with a request for a specific material, and we do the profiling for them for free. It really doesn't cost them anything. So yeah, it's a completely open printer, and luckily we have quite a few happy clients now.
That's great. Thank you very much for a nice introduction.
Thank you. Thanks for stopping by.
Could you please show your internet site or how to contact you? Somewhere maybe have.
This is print.
Does it work there?
So this is the one, voxeltek.com.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much.
Thanks for stopping by.